What's up, gamers? Aiden back here with some Crash Team Racing Nitro Field, and as you can see, the game capture card is here, and I think this might actually be the only time I'm going to be using the game capture card, because, well, I don't have one, and someone was very nice to lend theirs to me, so enjoy this little, present. Okay, so we're gonna be going to Super Speedway. I've already had a look at this level, and I already started racing in it, but I've not seen the opening cutscene. Well, the viewpoints of all of it. So, I guess you could say it's kind of like a raw reaction, but it's really not. Really not. Alright, here we go. Super Speedway. Oh, it's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles sewer. And this is the level where they really want you to drift a lot. So, yeah. So, I'm going to be sucking a lot in this. Alright, ladies and gamers. We're going to be doing some epic Tony Hawk skills right here. And this is some pro skating. Oh, okay. That's not pro skating. I can bring it back. No, I can't. Oh, let's go. You motherfucker! You just stole my power-up. Son of a bitch. Also, sorry if I'm like saying these delayed. If I sound like I'm having these delayed reactions to the game, because well, the audio is really delayed, and I'm only listening to the audio like 3 seconds after it happens. If it's not, then I sound crazy. Let's hope it's the second one. I just realized that Crash is really pale on the left. Or I'm just crazy. Probably both. Can you, like, die, please? Please? I asked nicely. Okay, looks like, please just die. Work with you, bully. Yeetus. Well, that curved. Third place again. Whoa, 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 what just happened? What just happened? What just happened? Whoa, what happened? I, like, fell to, like, a different floor. Okay, well, I'm in last place. Again. Oh, I saw that clip. I saw that clip. Alright, epic. How did I miss that? Alright. Rocket, you're supposed to hit them. I don't know what you're doing. Are you trying to invade Russia or something? What would be the Russia of this place? Would it be like... No, I was about to say Cortex, but that would basically be like Kim Jong-un. Why is everything being nabbed away from me? Just like my first place. Like that. You know what? I'm gonna go on an adventure. I'm gonna go on an adventure of my own. So, you know, we're restarting. Or restarting. Alright, let me just get past Pale Crash if I can. Ginger Crash. Oh yeah, I totally forgot there were shortcuts in this game. I heard they're really hard to get. Some of them are really hard to get to. Dude, it's not good, Coco. It's really not good. Imagine if Coco just gets shot in the head and she just goes, not good. Oh, I look behind me just to see Vietnam. Just flashes of PTSD. And why is there a T-Rex in here? How'd they get a T-Rex in here? Is it like the house from Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom? And no, that movie was not a good movie. That was a terrible movie. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Please. 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 Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. I mean, like, we probably could have brought weapons or something. We could have probably sniped the other players. There's always that. Always an option. Always an option. And I think we go into fight a boss now. Yeah, that like panda thing on the left. That is basically the internet after no one goes to raid Area 51. Oh, what the heck? Oh, we just fight a boss right away. I think his name is Ripperoo. He just blew himself up. Okay. Like, do we have to go race this guy? Yeah, fine. We're going to Narnia, boys and girls. I've already played on this one. Whoa. I've not played the boss on here, but I played on this track. Alright, let's go. Let's go, gamers. Yo, he's so fast. And I already have a TNT. Great. That's just great. Why does he have so much TNT? I get it that it's his boss. Why is there, like, it looks like every single pixel is a TNT box. God bless America. And yes, I stole life from Alpha Rat. Oh my god. Can you, like, die? That would be nice. Oh, gamers. Oh, gamers. Come on. Are you kidding me? And why are you so fast? You're blue, like Sonic. That must explain it. I swear to God. You know what? I'm gonna do Trump and I'm gonna nuke him. Nuke him. Can we, like, nuke him? You die. Oh, gamers. Oh! That was easy. Even with all that bullshit. Is he having a stroke? How did you get that key? How did you get that key? I'm more concerned about his... I don't know what that was, but I think it was a stroke. Oh, well, that key is sentient.
Congratulations on opening this new area. Here you will find 4 more tracks to race. Good luck.
We got Ripperoo, but he's not, Coco, so I'm gonna have to pass, mate. Also not Coco. Oh, wait, before I go, I just want to see why these are yellow. Oh, that's not what I meant to do.
Collect every crystal before the time runs out. If you get them all, you will win a prize.
Oh, fam, I'm gonna have to pass. Right now, fam. Thanks, fam, but I gotta pass. Gotta pass, fam. Oh, wait, actually. No, you know what? I'll do this. I've not played on this map. Alright, gamers, we'll do one more. We'll do one more, gamers. Okay. Crystal. Oh, okay, so I gotta get 20 of these. I thought that said 120. And I was like, Nani? Yo, I only have a minute and a meme left. Okay, okay, so the way I see that this meme works is that I gotta like, there's like a certain path I have to go on because they're all connected. And oh my god, can you like grab the crystal? Can you, Coco, I'm not asking you to do calculus. Can you like just grab the crystal? I know I'm gonna lose, but Coco, please, just grab the fucking crystal. Just grab the crystal. There we go. There we go. Yo, was that the final boss? Alright, I got half of them. Alright. Whoa. Wait, hold on. I want to go back to that. Hold on a second before time runs out. Hold on. Look at this face. Come on. Look at that face. That is something you see in Area 51. I'm telling you. I'm just gonna take a picture of that. And why are there pelicans on there? And those birds are in sync. You saw their heads move. They were like the twins from The Shining. The Shining 2. The pelicaning. Coco. Coco, not this again. Okay, there we go. I swear, Coco. Coco, I love you. Not like a furry. I swear, not like a furry. Can you, Coco. Coco. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go to Narnia. No one can stop me. Okay. Well, it seems that God has entered the Matrix. And he put, I believe it's an invisible wall. Yeah, I believe it's an invisible wall. And he does not want me to leave. Thanks, God. Thanks. He does not want furries to get a hold of Coco. I believe that's what he's trying to do. Okay, no, look at those pelicans. Those pelicans are insane. Hold on. You've got to be kidding me.
It might be
time remaining. Yeah, 0 seconds. Why would you put time remaining if I lose the level? Because of course there's gonna be 0 seconds left. When those crystals break, they look like the stuff they were snorting and happy time murders. And like most people, if you've not seen the happy time murders, the stuff they were snorting, it was like Muppet cocaine. Yeah, that definitely looks like the cocaine they were snorting. God, I'm like still thinking about those stupid pelicans and how in sync they are. Did I seriously just drift past that? Rocket. No, it's not rockets. Yeah, it's the fire hydrant looking thing. Oh my God! This is how sufferable they are. They won't even let me drown myself. I'm in the water. Face first, and I can't even drown myself. Oh, come on! Oh, are you kidding me? Can I, like, grab it? Please. Come on. Are you kidding me? Why is it even shuffled if it's just always gonna give me, that fire hydrant looking motherfucker? I don't know. We can do this game. Smash like if you think those pelicans are in sync. Which they are, so you better smash like. You little bundle of joy, aren't you? Piece of fucking shit, I swear to God, I'll murder you and your whole family. How did I miss two? How did I miss those two? They were right next to each other. I swear to God, this crystal is harder than Dark Souls. Oh, you didn't see anything. Are you actually kidding me? You kidding me? The stupid NSYNC birds. Oh my God, I just realized it was an N when I said NSYNC. Like insane. Haha, so funny. Quality content. Quality content. Markiplier got nothing on this. You hear that? You got nothing. What is with these hitboxes? I bet you it's those NSYNC birds. Die. Can you do me a favor? Oh my God. I'm done. Okay, gamers. So crystals have, bested me. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. And those fucking pelicans aren't gonna be able to do anything. These pelicans aren't helping. Bet you they're satanic. Alright, if I can't do it this round, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna end it. Come on. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, that's good. 2019, everyone. 2019, and hitboxes are still smaller than you know, Trump's salami. Okay, you know what? As long as I just get this gem, yeah, I'm happy. Okay. And I just want to say, whoever does the voice work for Coco needs to like get a promotion because she's fucking awesome. You know what? What a better way to end it than to look at a stranded guy calling for help right over there. And you know what? You know what I'm doing? I'm racing around trying to collect a bunch of purple rock candy, and he's over there calling for help, and I can't even drown myself. So yeah, that was pretty epic, gamers.
Always room for improvement, I guess.
All right, gamers. Thank you so much for watching, gamers. I'm gonna end it here and go watch some memes. Bye.